just buried a spark, a gentle reminder of you. Sometimes I'll walk where the streets hang empty, far from the crowd, where the shadows fall. I sample the sound of the rain falling down and let go the past. Once in a while, I still can smile and face the day in a better way. It's true. Once in a while, I'm still in love with you. There will be times when the gray clouds come, cover the sky, try to hide the sun.
Alright, that was hit number 4. Thank you, competitors. You may leave the dance floor.